What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Oh my god, look who we have in the back. Come on. Look who we have in the back, guys. I didn't even know she was there.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So, do you want to see my stuff in my bag? Okay.
Yeah, show them. She messed up my intro, guys, but it's alright. Now show them what's in your bag.
I got my reading book. My reading book is for my what is that again? My tablet.
Alright.
And this is my new camera, guys.
She got a camera, guys, so she's gonna be vlogging soon, right? You're gonna be vlogging?
Yes, let me show you.
Show them how you guys gonna vlog. She's gonna say hi to the vlog.
Look, this is this, and then you press this right here,
Uh-huh.
and you can take a picture.
Show them.
Okay.
Do a demonstration.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, show them how you're gonna vlog. Guys, gonna vlog. Alright, what is that you have in your bag? Let's go.
Okay, so I have my makeup brush.
She got a pretty fancy bag, guys. You didn't even show them the bag. You gotta show them the bag. See? Look at this fancy bag. It's hers.
Can I show her? Show him something.
Them.
Them.
Because there's boys and girls watching, so you gotta be them. Alright, show them.
Okay. This is my slot purse,
Alright.
and it has bubble gum.
Alright, put it there. Let's see what else you got.
My toothbrush holder.
Alright.
My toothbrush container.
And she has all these things, but I'm looking for the money. That's what I want to see. I want to see the money.
Look, my lipstick.
Do you have any money in there?
No.
Man, I don't want to see anything else. I just want to see the money.
The makeup brush for
Alright.
your eyeshadows. What the heck? Sorry, vlog. What? I have this picture, this weird picture. Let me show you this. Alright.
No, I have no idea what it is, so don't ask me.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't say the challenge. It says boom.
What is that?
That's a monster.
It's a monster? It looks like a monster.
Yeah.
Who drew it?
I drawn it.
Nice. Alright, you want to show them what else you have in your bag? You have a lot of things in here, man. You gotta show them everything, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what's next.
Okay, my phone, my
What's her phone?
phone.
It's a nice phone.
Look, I could call somebody. Look.
Better than my phone.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. With flashlight where I go to the door.
You got some really weird things in your bag.
Heart. A heart now.
Alright.
Right, this is my heart right here.
No, it's on this side.
And this
Yeah,
side.
there you go. Good job.
But I broke my heart with somebody else. But my container.
What? What is it?
My container.
What are you gonna put in there? What's gonna fit in there?
Some little.
Hey,
Wait.
look how small this thing is. What are you gonna fit in there?
No, not.
What are you gonna fit your salary in there? Your salary?
No.
I'm just kidding.
No, vlog. Look, you could just smell the nice thing.
Oh man, I cracked myself up.
Wait, look. Smell this.
Ew, what is that?
That's perfume.
That stinks.
No, smell it, vlog. I can't put it.
Yeah, it stinks.
It's not stink. Say no.
Say Oh, what else do you have in your bag? You gotta show them what's up.
Oh my
Show them
god.
what's up, what's up. What's up?
My little slock, my bracelet.
What?
Slock.
Slock?
A slock bracelet.
Alright, you mean sloth? What is that?
What is that?
Chopstick.
Chopstick.
She has a lot of things in her bag. What is that?
This is a lip gloss.
Lip gloss?
Yeah. A picture of it. I just take it away from this room. Yeah. This just bought me this.
She bought you that?
Yeah.
Or you took it from her?
Took it from her.
Yo.
And let me tell you something. I found this gem. This pink gem.
Uh-huh.
It's from Grandma's house.
So you're taking everybody's stuff, man.
Okay, I'm
So I gotta
gonna...
take your stuff now.
No!
Where's the money? Where's the money?
I don't know!
Alright, fine. You can put everything back in your bag.
Okay.
So you have a lot of things in your bag, man.
Mhm.
You gonna lend me some of those things? You gonna share? Sharing is caring.
Oh! I got an idea! This is a small thing and I can put it in this container!
You gonna put that in the container?
Yes!
I told you salary is gonna go in that container.
What? Is this hair?
Your money's gonna go in there.
Oh shoot.
No, it's not hair. It's
It's the jump
No, it's-
down.
let me see what's in this bag, man.
Oh man. I don't have no money.
There you go. There's her bag.
Oh my
Put it
god.
on and show them how you do it. Show them how you do it. I do a little 1-2 pose, a little. Wow. All right. What else? Give me something else. Give me something else. Ooh, okay, okay. Ooh, give me something else. Give me something else. Ooh, spicy. I like that. All right.
Okay,
All right, go
I'm
ahead.
gonna pack my stuff, but I just dropped it, but I got this.
Mm-hmm.
I got this little picture.
So where did you get this bag from?
Oh shoot. From Priscilla.
Your friend?
My friend Priscilla.
All right.
Priscilla. I'm gonna put this.
So you think I can borrow this bag? Can I borrow it?
No! That's only for girls!
Hmm?
That's only for girls!
So I can't borrow it? Oh,
I could buy you a boy bag.
a boy bag? No, but I want this one. I don't want a boy bag. I want
Look.
this one.
Watch.
Oh, I don't want a boy bag. I want this bag.
Oh man! This big for me though!
All right,
How
fine.
can I wear it and be pretty?
All right, fine.
Okay, good. Alright, I'm gonna pack my stuff now. It's too messy from the car, but yeah, my mom just called me.
I got a video with her coming up real soon. She doesn't know what it is. You guys don't know what it is, but it's gonna be a fire banger. So definitely stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right.
Stay tuned.
All right. You gotta make sure nobody takes this back because you have a lot of goodies inside, right?
Yes.
If they take it, then
I
you're done.
could take a picture of a Priscilla with this camera.
Yeah, there's a camera.
Her in the beach.
It's a camera.
It's a camera for you. Just hold the button and put the up thing and take a picture.
Right.
Yeah.
Good job.
It's not the same. But yeah, so okay, I'm gonna pack my paper, but I just put this inside. First, never lose. Never lose. This, let me show you this.
Hmm.
What do you take? What do you take?
Nothing.
Let me see it.
Mm-mm.
2 hands.
2 hands. Now. Now. I didn't take anything.
Good. I thought it took something. But I see
No, I
it.
didn't take anything. I didn't take anything.
I told you what. You see, Nick?
I'm gonna help you pack these things up, alright?
No, don't help me.
Why?
I know to do it.
Alright.
Okay.
I didn't take anything, Sarah.
Okay. I'm watching you.
Yeah, I'm watching. It's fine. Also, that's where you put your makeup brush.
See, guys? Look, it's fixed, man. Fancy.
Yep, very fancy.
For no one could lose my own brush. Yeah, but I can't fit this in here.
If you need
It's too
help.
big. Do you want to see my moves?
Look, it fits.
Oh.
Let's see your move. Come on, let's see it.
Oh,
Let's see your moves. Let's see your moves.
Okay, when I pack these stuff first.
Alright, then you show them the TikTok moves, right?
Yes.
Finish packing your bag, show them your TikTok moves.
Okay.
I don't know what she knows about TikTok.
TikTok, my video, and I was watching my show. Yeah, that's my TikTok. I don't want to be the loser.
Can I help you so we can make it faster?
You can do this.
So you can show me TikToks.
Thank you.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada. Alright. Put your bag back there. Let's see the TikToks.
Okay. I could dance like this, but I have my stick right here. It's a painter, but it looks like when you walk around, look like Granny. Look like Granny.
Yo, she is crazy. Alright, good job.
Look. I can't stay like this. How am I gonna go?
I'll do this fine.
Okay.
What's your TikTok?
Okay. Look, watch. How am I gonna do this?
I don't know. You're too tall. I did.
Look. Wait, don't do that.
Alright, there's the beat.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Let's
go.
go.
No, don't do that.
Alright.
Look, watch. Wait.
Good job.
Wait.
Alright, now guess what? I have a surprise for you.
What? What is it? What is it?
Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh my goodness. Freaking bad.
She didn't realize I took it from her bag. I got you.
You are a bad boy.
I'm not bad.
Look. Balance.
Alright.
And do like this.
Alright.
And,
Balance on one foot.
and let me move these shoes. Okay. And like this. Lord, to pray everyone. The frog, Nick, Dad, Mom, Princess, and my sister named Diddy.
Good job. Good job.
Wait, ding!
Give me a high five. Good job.
Lord. And it's
That's the beat. You can't do like me. High five. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Chit Chats with Sarah Part 2. I got a bang with her coming very soon. She doesn't know what it is. You guys don't know what it is. You guys are in for a surprise, so stay tuned. Follow me on all social media. Links will be in the descriptions. We do photography and videography. You guys can book us. Links will be in the description as well. And as always, it's your boy Nick signing out. So until then, stay crisp, my friends, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
so.